Are you ready to talk about the one hunting caliber that is absolutely dominating the landscape in 2025? All across this country, from the deer stands of the east to the mountains of the west, hunters are talking about this round. And I'm here to tell you, it is not just hype. This cartridge brings together a perfect storm of tack-driving accuracy, rock-solid terminal performance, and the kind of versatility that makes it a master of almost any environment. But here's the reality on the ground. Demand for this round is absolutely through the roof, and boxes are flying off the shelves faster than ever before. Stick with me, because by the end of this breakdown, you will know exactly which caliber has earned the #1 spot in the hunting world, and why. Let's get into it. Number 5. The .300 Winchester Magnum. Kicking off our list is the undisputed king of the long-range hammer, the .300 Winchester Magnum. Since Winchester introduced it back in 1963, the .300 Win Mag has been the go-to choice for hunters who need to reach out and touch big, tough game at serious distances. We're talking about elk, moose, and bear across a steep canyon. This is a cartridge that was built to deliver authority. It fires a .308-inch bullet, typically weighing between 150 and 220 grains. A lighter 150 grain load screams out of the muzzle at around 3,300 feet per second, generating a staggering 3,600 foot-pounds of energy. That is more than enough power to anchor the heaviest game in North America. Its flat trajectory makes 400-yard shots a reality for a skilled shooter. You'll find it chambered in legendary rifles like the Remington 700 and the Winchester Model 70. The true genius of the .300 Win Mag is its incredible versatility. With one rifle, you can confidently hunt almost anything on the continent. But that power comes at a price. The recoil is significant, a firm, authoritative shove that new shooters will definitely notice. And factory ammunition is not cheap. You can expect to pay $50 a box or more for premium loads. The upside: it has exceptional long-range performance, delivers bone-crushing energy on big game, and is widely available. The downside: the recoil is heavy, the cost per round is high, and it is absolute overkill for smaller game like white-tailed deer at close range. Number 4. The 7mm Remington Magnum. Coming in at number 4 is the ballistic scalpel of the hunting world, the 7mm Remington Magnum. When it was introduced in 1962, its mission was to give hunters a flat-shooting Magnum cartridge without the punishing recoil of its larger cousins. And it succeeded spectacularly. This round launches a sleek .284-inch projectile, usually weighing between 140 and 175 grains. A 150-grain bullet leaves the muzzle at close to 3,000 feet per second, delivering around 3,000 foot-pounds of energy. For hunters pursuing whitetail mule deer or elk, it provides a laser-flat trajectory that is deadly accurate out to 500 yards and beyond. What hunters truly love about the 7mm Rem Mag is its flight path. It shoots so flat that it gives you a much wider margin for error on range estimation. And with its high ballistic coefficient bullets, it cuts through the wind better than almost any other cartridge in its class. The drawbacks? Ammunition is pricey, often running $40 to $60 a box. The recoil, while more manageable than a .300 Win Mag, is still a noticeable thump on the shoulder. And just like its big brother, it can cause excessive meat damage on smaller game at closer ranges. The upside: it offers an incredibly flat trajectory, has excellent long-range potential, and bucks the wind like a champ. The downside: the ammo is expensive, the recoil is still stout, and it is overpowered for smaller animals. Number 3. The 6.5 Creedmoor. When Hornady introduced the 6.5 Creedmoor in 2007, it was designed as a purebred competition cartridge. But it didn't take long for the hunting community to realize that the very same qualities that make it a winner on the target range make it a deadly effective tool in the field. It fires a long, slender .264-inch bullet, with most factory loads ranging from 120 to 147 grains. A 140-grain bullet leaves the muzzle at around 2,900 feet per second, generating about 2,600 foot-pounds of energy. For deer, antelope, and even elk at responsible distances, the Creedmoor has become the go-to choice for a new generation of hunters. Its real magic lies in its high ballistic coefficient bullets. This translates to less bullet drop and less wind drift at long range, making it incredibly predictable and easy to shoot accurately. On top of that, the recoil is so light that almost anyone can shoot it comfortably and confidently. But it is not the perfect solution for every hunt. It simply does not have the raw knockdown power of the larger magnums, and its lighter bullets may not provide enough penetration for truly large, tough animals like moose or grizzly bear. The upside: it has superb, almost surgical accuracy. The recoil is incredibly light, and the factory ammunition is affordable and widely available. The downside: it has limited energy for the biggest game animals, and it may not be the best choice for close-range brush hunting where a heavier bullet is preferred. Number 2. The 30-06 Springfield. At number 2, we have Old Reliable. The 30-06 Springfield has been serving American hunters and soldiers since 1906. There is no other cartridge in American history that has a more proven and more trusted track record. It fires the same .308-inch bullet as the 300 Win Mag, with most loads ranging from 150 to 180 grains. It is the quintessential all-around performer. From white-tailed deer and black bear to elk and moose, the 30-06 can and has done it all. Hunters love it because it strikes the perfect balance. It gives you plenty of power to take on big game, but without the brutal recoil of a Magnum cartridge. Ammunition is available in every single gun shop in America, and it is very affordable, often running $20 to $30 a box. The trade-offs? It doesn't shoot as flat as the modern Magnums, so long-range shots require a bit more skill. And the recoil, while manageable, will start to wear on you after a long day at the range. The upside: it is adaptable to nearly every hunting situation in North America. The ammunition is cheap and easy to find, and its performance is legendary. The downside: the recoil is noticeable, and it doesn't have the laser-flat trajectory of the more modern cartridges. Number 1. The 308 Winchester. And sitting at the top of the heap in 2025 is the master of efficiency, the 308 Winchester. Released in 1952 as a commercial version of the military's 7.62 NATO cartridge, the 308 has become the most popular and sought-after hunting round in the country. It uses the same .308-inch bullet as the 30-06, but it does its work in a more compact, short-action design. A typical 150 grain bullet leaves the muzzle at about 2,800 feet per second, generating around 2,600 foot-pounds of energy. It is the perfect medicine for white-tailed deer, black bear, wild hogs, and even elk at moderate ranges. The short-action design means that rifles chambered in 308 can be lighter, more compact, and faster handling. This makes them a joy to carry in the field. The 308 has earned its number 1 spot because it is the perfect balance of every desirable trait. It is incredibly accurate. The recoil is very manageable. The ammunition is affordable and available everywhere. And it is chambered in a massive variety of rifles, from bolt-actions to semi-automatics. But it does have its limits. Past 300 yards, it begins to drop more significantly than the Magnum cartridges. And on the truly massive animals like moose or brown bear, it is simply underpowered. The upside: it has outstanding accuracy, the recoil is very manageable, and the availability of both rifles and ammunition is unmatched. The downside: its effective range is shorter than the Magnums, and it does not have enough power for the largest and most dangerous game. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 hunting calibers for 2025. From the raw power of the 300 Win Mag to the balanced, practical performance of the 308 Winchester, these are the cartridges that are dominating the hunting world right now. Choosing the right tool for the job always comes down to your personal hunting style, the terrain you're in, and the game you're after. So now, it's your turn. What is your go-to hunting cartridge? Let me know your pick down in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell so you don't miss any more of our gear reviews and caliber discussions. Stay safe out there and happy hunting.